Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe eVisa processing experience at New Delhi International Airport IGI 3 Terminal 3. So I had gone there years ago, but people still ask this question that how they do. So basically when you get an eVisa for India and the eVisa is approved, it's called basically ETA, Electronic Travel Authorization, and with the printout you can board the flight. Okay, it's very important to carry the printout with you. Once you go there, there'll be a section of foreign passports. Okay, one section will be for foreign passports processing, one section will be for Indian passport processing. But if you're carrying a group where you're traveling together, like let's say 4 people have foreign and one has Indian, still they allow you to do it together. They are very cooperative in this manner. And then when you go for that processing, there'll be counters where you see the display eVisa, OCI, something. So try to go for eVisa counters. But sometimes what happens is that if the crowd is too much, especially during the peak season or peak time of the day, what they say that all counters are open for all processing. So wherever you find place, just occupy that. But anyway, move for keep moving forward. When you go to the counter, show the printout and passport that was used for this eVisa processing. They will take your biometrics. There'll be a scanner. Have some patience because every time I see they clean it a few times because they have to take it clearly, and because everyone puts their finger on it, it gets dirty so easily. So they are going to sanitize it with a wipe and then ask you to put your fingers on it. Just comply with whatever they say, like 4 fingers they generally take of your hand. And then also they are going to scan your eye for like biometric. And then they do something in the system. They may ask you some questions, how long you are going to stay, where you are going to stay, and they will also check their records for any past infraction against your name. So if everything is clear for you, don't expect to spend much time over there. Anyway, they are always too crowded. Okay, so after that there's an electronic gate that opens, and that is technically or literally your entry into the Republic of India. But still you are not done with immigration yet. Just if when you cross, there will be a person sitting there, and his only job is to check your passport for the today for the day stamp. Okay, because when they process, they put a stamp on your passport, so they're going to check for that stamp. That guy is only going to check the stamp. He's not going to verify the name and other details on your passport, or is not going to ask you any other question. He's not, his job is not. His job is just to check the stamp, and then you will be let in. And there are display boards where you see where your luggage is gonna come on the aisle, on which aisle. Okay, and on the way you will see like duty free area where salesmen will try to sell you by sir this that. It's up to you. I just close my eyes and I just go like pass through it because I really don't want to spend money over there. And from there it goes on. So I hope this is gonna help you. But one more thing that I should have probably described at the beginning itself. When you get down from the flight, the first thing you should do is to run as far. Of course, like do not create any chaos or something. But once you are out of the aircraft and you have completed the deboarding, don't wait anywhere. Like, oh, I wanna stand for 5 minutes, relax, then walk. No, move as fast as you can. When I had gone alone, literally I ran as fast as I could, and there are movers that you can use or anything. And you have to when you reach the immigration area, you have to come down. Okay, so there are the elevators and stairs too. If you are capable, go by stairs, otherwise you have to wait for elevators. Go down and go for immigration. Why I'm saying that place is gonna be always 365 days crowded. So go as far as you can so that you get your processing done faster than others. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.